To all the digital designers out there, we're going to go ahead and look at Canva, the free version. We're also going to have a look at Canva Pro and see how much you're spending and what you're actually getting for your money. So without further ado, let's get into it. So starting out on the homepage of Canva, you can go ahead and start searching for the type of content that you would like to create. You can start out by using templates. So if you're looking through templates, you'll see a ton of templates available. However, you will see that some of them have the little Pro sticker on them, and these templates are only available with the Pro version. So if you're going through here and you're looking for more specific templates, you will find that they are part of the Pro version and you need the package. So sometimes you will get away with having free usable templates. However, I do believe that the grade of quality on the templates that is part of the Pro version are a little bit better. When you're going into an actual design over here, you'll see that you have your template, and on the left hand side you'll see that you have your elements. Now, if you're going in and having a look at some elements and you want to perhaps search for an element between graphics, photos, videos, or frames, and you will also see the Pro icon on probably most of these elements. You do, again, have a fair amount of free elements, but the good stuff or the better stuff or the more accurate stuff is part of the Pro plan. Some of the other things is the editing tools. When you're clicking on an image, perhaps you can go ahead and click on edit image, and there are some effects that you cannot use with the free plan, such as a background remover, a magic eraser, a magic grabber, a grab text tool, and the magic expand. So all of these tools are actually not available. What you will have available though is a complete tool set to customize your image, everything from the brightness and color all the way down to the texture of your image, so you can still customize your design. The Resize and Magic Switch is also a Pro feature which I think is essential if you have a design that you would like to resize into different aspect ratios for different platforms. You can also go over to Share on the top right hand side, and you will find a few features here part of the Pro plan, such as the schedule. And when you're going into download, you can't have a transparent background and you cannot compress your file with the free plan. You also only have the option for the original size, so you cannot improve or increase your export quality. Other than the Pro features that I just went through now, Canva does have a lot of free stuff to give away, and you can pretty much be unlimited if you're only using their basic features and you have basic needs. However, if you are looking for an advanced experience, then the Canva Pro is the version to go with. Now, if you found this video helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.